Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable eToro crypto wallet features for transfers and custody, complete guide step by step clearly. To enable eToro crypto wallet features for transfers and custody, start by logging into your eToro account. Once logged in, locate the Portfolio tab on the main dashboard. Click on the Crypto section within your portfolio. If you don't already have a crypto wallet, you will need to create one. Look for the option that states Create Wallet and click it. Follow the prompts to set up your wallet, including choosing a secure password. Once your wallet is created, navigate to the Wallet tab. Here, you will find options for managing your cryptocurrency. To enable transfers, click on the Transfer option. Select the cryptocurrency you wish to transfer. Enter the recipient's wallet address carefully. Make sure to double-check this address to avoid any mistakes. Input the amount you want to transfer. Review the transaction details for accuracy. Confirm the transfer and wait for the transaction to be processed. For custody features, go back to the Wallet tab. Here, you can select Manage Custody. Follow the instructions to set your custody preferences. You may need to complete verification steps for enhanced security. Once completed, you will have full custody of your crypto assets. Explore additional settings to customize your wallet experience. Regularly monitor your wallet for any updates or new features. Keep your wallet and private keys secure to protect your assets. By following these steps, you will successfully enable eToro crypto wallet features for transfers and custody. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.